Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick Dollar Tree, I don't want to call it a haul, but it's not a crafty haul. It is a nail haul. So let's get into this. My husband and I and my son, we went to go have some lunch, and we swung by Dollar Tree so I could get some fashion nails, and I picked up two of these. And these have the little flowers in it. Sorry for the glare. You guys can see that. I got two of those. I picked up two of the French with the bow. I love those. Those are pretty. I got two of these. And then I got two of the plain French manicure. So 3 different styles, but I got 2 of each because I purchased this one before and I only bought 1 box. All these nails are different sizes, so I figured I should get 2 because then at least I'll have 2 of each size, and then I won't feel so awkward because you could really see the difference. So I also picked up this Super Bond. I don't know if you all have tried this. This is the Kiss brand. This one is the pink. So the glue, when you put it on underneath these clear fashion nails or whatever, fake nails, it'll be pink. It won't look so weird. I also picked up a cuticle trimmer because I need one, and I got a hot pink. If they had purple, I would have got the purple. And then, oh, this is the glue I purchased before I got this. So it was when I bought the first set of nails. I bought this one, and this is just the clear nail glue. So it's the same brand. It's just clear, and this one's pink. And then I picked up these 2 cute nail files with the case. And I thought this case was super cute, and I might go back and get more because wouldn't that be cute for like really tiny embellishments, and then find a way to like hang it or something. So I thought that was adorable, and I needed a nail file, so I said why not. It's a pretty pattern. It's the purple, and that goes in there like that. And it's supposed to be able to put it in your purse. They had a whole bunch of these. I think they just got a shipment in. But that was it for my Dollar Tree haul. I literally went in with my husband and my son and got exactly what I wanted. Okay guys, I figure I might as well just share this with you all. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to put on one of these sets, and I think I'll put you on time lapse. That way it's not so boring for y'all. All right. Okay guys, this is my first shot at these nails. And I am not a nail, aficionado. I just wanted some pretty nails, but yeah, this is my first time doing this. I take it back. It's my second time because that's the reason I went back to Dollar Tree. I bought the one pack and it wasn't enough and they weren't the same sizes. So if you're like me and you want them the same size, the same lengths, get 2 packs from the Dollar Tree, and that way you have enough nails to size from. And make sure you use acetone to prep your nails, because that's what the glue instructions was to use the acetone to clean your nails. And also, if you want to remove your nails, that's what they tell you to use. So that's it. It's not perfect. There's a lot of bubbling from the glue. I don't know if you guys can see all that under there. See the bubbles? There's bubbles in there, but it's okay. This is crooked. This is a crooked nail. Look at that. It's all slanted. But that's okay, because the reason I bought it is so that when it comes time for me to have to do my nails, going somewhere, I can have these options and I don't have to struggle painting them on. So next time, I'm gonna probably do some, like, some of the ladies I've seen have mixed their nails, and I thought that would be so cute, because look at these. I love this. The little bows and the little hearts. There's hearts, floating hearts, and I thought this was just so pretty, even though that is a little messed up. Let me see. And I don't know how long they're supposed to last, but yeah, it is what it is. And I like the flat cut. You see that? It's not the pointy, like, stiletto type nails. These are nice. So that would have been cute. I mean, I won't use this size nail, but that would have been cute also. See that? Little bows are so cute. But yep, I'll leave that for next time. I just wanted to come on here and share what I was testing out at the Dollar Tree. So remember, in order to keep it on there for a while, you gotta prep your fingernails. And I gotta get some lotion on here because the acetone in this thing, it dries your hands out. I think I'll just leave these in here in my craft room, since this is where I will be putting them on. Well, I'll see you all in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.